Welcome to section number 8, mechanical physical separations. And this section is a little bit more different, or let's say, or way different from the previous sections. Why? Because these are now going to be working with more physical separations, or the design involves much more mechanicals rather than actual physical or chemical phenomena, meaning that we're not going to be exploiting, for instance, the solubility or volatility differences. Rather, we're going to be exploiting physical properties such as size. Maybe we're talking about filtration, that will be one case. If we talk about decanting, we're talking about difference on densities. Centrifugation is also on differences on type of material or phases. Cyclone separations, magnetic separation talks about the magnetism behind the separation. If we're talking about settling or sedimentation, once again, we're talking about materials that will not be flotating. Talking about flotation, we have flotation, flocculation, and what else we have? I think sieving systems. All these exploit physical or very mechanical properties rather than chemical, or let's say more physical chemical properties. Okay, so, and because this is not a typical section to be studied in mass transfer, we're going to see these in a very broad or in a very great overview. We're not going to be studying design or advantages, disadvantages. Nope, we're just going to see the main process, how it works, advantages, disadvantages, industry working with that, and that will be it. Okay, I'll see you soon.